right, here we go with hole number 5, Frozen Valley. Should be familiar to everyone. So there's only one way I play this. I slide to the right just like that, and then I bring kind of the middle chevron somewhere in that area by the blue little arrow, and put a lot of anhyzer and just try to do kind of a flex shot around these trees here. Try to land it anywhere in this area and hope for a good skip up the little hill, just like that. And try not to mess up the throw in. 111, so we should be able to make that downhill. A little bit of a tailwind. Aim to the right a little bit. And there you go, there's our eagle. We'll keep going a little bit. You can, if you don't have the glide skip rive, you can throw the other ones. This is the turn glide rive. We'll do kind of the same thing, slide to the right, same aiming point. Obviously we're not going to put as much anhyzer with the turn glide. And this is looking pretty good, even though I never throw this disc on this hole. It's just not going to get up there as far. Usually the turn glide is going to slide more than any of the other rives. So if you need some of that slide or skip, it usually is the one to count on. I wouldn't throw the glide roll just because it'll stop like as soon as it lands. So there's other discs that are going to get you up farther. You can throw the light glide, which is what I'm going to throw next. But like I said, almost always I'm going glide skip here, the same aiming point, and just try to work it around those trees and get up into that gap and have a shot for eagle. This is probably going to hit the tree, fall short. Not even going to try this one. Makeable. Anywhere you throw on this, you got a shot at throwing it in, but if you can get it up there close to the top of that hill, it just increases your chances a lot. This was the whole one on a daily a few days ago, so I'm pretty versed up on this one as far as my aiming point and where to throw depending on the wind. That was a little short, didn't get a great skip there. But again, anywhere in this gap and you got a shot at throwing it in, it's nice if you can get up there to where you can see the basket, but even down here, you can throw it in pretty regularly. Just know it's a little downhill afterwards, and that's a little short. On target, a little short. But I want to see if we can get a good wind. This one's not bad. I'm gonna show you, if you get a good wind and hit it just right, you can get there. You can get down there next to the basket. So I want to at least show you how far down there you can get. As far as if it's aceable, I don't know. Never say never. Maybe with like a really strong, like a 3 tailwind, right to left. But that's what happens if you kind of go into the trees. You're gonna be left with an obstructed view and have to kind of either go over the top or through a tight gap through the trees. But if you can hit the gap just right, this one's looking pretty good. A little bit to the right, it might catch that tree there, yeah. But you can see the basket. And again, if you can get up here to where you can see the basket, easy as pie. Should be able to throw that one in even with this strong tailwind. Let's see if we can drop. There we go. So pretty good chance at eagle on this one. Not as easy as some holes, but definitely doable. Again, I want to try to, especially with a wind like this. I mean, this is as good as the wind gets. So let's see if we can't take advantage here. And it's going to be to the right. Darn it. Come on, give me another one. Nice. Got another great wind here. Trying to focus. Oh, this is looking good. Just give me a good skip. Don't fail me, skip. Oh yeah. So there you go. There you can see the potential here. You can get all the way down to the basket with the perfect wind. Easy tap in eagle. But there's Frozen Valley, hole number 5. Hope you enjoyed. Let's move on to hole number 6. Appreciate you watching me. Play some DBV.